Alright, let's see. I'm gonna try to record this with one hand. I kind of pre-loosed the bolts up for you. But anyway, this is 2008 Buick Lacerne, and I'm doing the power steering line up under the car. Got my jack stand, just in case. And let me see. That bolt right there is an 18 millimeter. This the hose I'm replacing. That's an 18, and then you got a banjo style right there, which is up in there. So, yeah, it ain't hard. It ain't too bad. It's a pain in the ass, but you got small hands, you can do it. I already loosened it up. See, it's a 18 or whatever. That camera come in handy, you can see shit. But yeah, it's an 18 though. I'm gonna try to record. I ain't bring no stand, and I just felt like recording, so I ain't did no recording. I ain't ready to get to it. Just watch. Wish I had two hands now. I see why people don't record with two hands, one hand. Okay, we got that out. Let's watch. Oh, this shit go fly out. That's the old line. All that's coming out of the fluid. We're gonna try to, let me see, set you down for a second. Look at the ceiling. I ain't trying to get this stuff all over me, trying to make a video, so hey, that's what I'm doing. Put you back up. Let's see how we can do this. Make sure you put your rubber and thread number to make it up in place. It's hard here to do one hand. I thought about that too, but oh shit! Ooh, this could be a problem. Okay, let's go. I'm two-handed. Let me see. Can I set this up somehow? I hope you can see it this way. You know what? That hole, that line. Give me a minute. It started. That's what I need. Need proper stands. Let's see what's going on. It might be able to see it. Oh, need two hands here. I know it, but I ain't gotta take all day. I ain't trying to take all day, that's for sure. Once I get it started, I'll put everything in position. That's what I'm not trying to do, take all day. See, I started that one, then I take this one, and I push it up to where it gotta go, which is over there. It's over there somewhere like this. Something like that. Come on. That would work. I got it up in there. Yeah, it's in there. Now they gotta go to this side, tighten the other side up. It goes up there where that box is. Yeah, we'll tighten this up though. I don't like one-handed jobs. Yeah. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all see that. If you can't, use your imagination. I see. Keep trying this. I need to go buy me a stand. Maybe that's how I start this stuff off right and actually try this stuff. But Ain't number the 18 millimeter, just turn and turn. There we go. Got a little snuggy action in. Spin it. Now we start rotating the ratchet around. See, it wasn't that bad. There we go. Got it up in there. Put another ugly dug on it. Put that down for a second. Yeah. All right, y'all follow me, and we're going to the other side. Now, here comes the hard part, because y'all ain't be able to see that. But anyway, it's a boat. It's a boat right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a boat right up in there that you gotta take a loose. See where that press fitting going? Right there. That's the boat that I'm taking off. I don't know no way of saying it. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know why. What else is there? Hey, where that one going? Oh, that's the one I got. I gotta put on this one. Okay. Okay, let's see. How could I take this one off? Yeah, we'll just let it roll. Y'all probably can't see now. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I'm still here though. We just taking the boats off. And I just shit, commentary on the song, I don't know. But it's a 13 millimeter either way though. It's 13 millimeter. You need a ratchet. A 13 ratchet. It'll help better with a ratchet wrench on the end. It helps. Or whatever. You put that something on there and just ratchet. You hear ratchet? Shit, so that's what we trying to do. I wish I could screw it off my hand. Jesus, crap. That's something going on there. It's on there. It's on there pretty good. You ain't better unscrew it with your hand. So you have to get your ratchet on it. Oh, wait, that's painful. You don't get but 2 clicks out of this thing. Yee. 2 clicks is all you gonna get. Look like it. Ooh, that's a painful shit. I see why the video be long as hell on some people car video. That shit is impossible to get to while trying to record it. It really is. I got it going with my fingers now though. So we gonna try to work with that. It's that technique 1-2 finger type shit. You gotta take a breather. Yeah, for real, for real. That's something going on there. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's on there pretty decent. Oh yeah, it could be a pain in the ass. Pain in the buttocks. Nah, man. Oh, yeah. We'll make us a short video.